Hi. So this video is a little chill little video. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I pack multiple sets in one box for an order. And where I get my boxes and tape and all the supplies is going to be in the description box below. So like I said, this is a little chill little video. We're just going to be watching me pack these orders, these multiple sets. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time.
Take you there, back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there, like it was the first time?
Gotta get a little close-up action on that nail. And if you guys like any of the nails that you see today, I'll leave a link to each of the designs in the description box as well. You can go ahead and pick those up and use the discount code right here.
For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
And I do make my own labels for my boxes. If you guys want a video about how to do that, go ahead and leave a comment below.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Okay, so these are some of the these are the nails that you just saw me pack up. All are available on my website in the link in the description box. And like I said, I hope you guys learned something, like learn how to pack some things. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave some comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.